Christina, and you all are welcome to my YouTube channel Christina's Diary. Now I am going to make a pancake with vegetables. So I just cook whatever I have. So I like to share whatever I cook, kind of jugadu cooking. So I just want to show that what kind of things I am going to use, whatever I have I am using, and I am going to cook for my kids. And let me show you that what I am going to use. So here I am going to use bread which is already almost dry, you can see. So first of all I am going to put some water. Yes. This is my jugadu cooking. So you can see here is some oil, then chopped potatoes, chopped onion, and here is fenugreek from my own kitchen garden, and here is chopped ginger, then garlic, curry leaves, and there is some cabbage, chopped cabbage, and this is wheat flour, and this one is 1.5 spoon is that semolina suji, atta suji, and here is gram flour, besan, and here are some spices, kuch masale hain, and there is ajwain, parsley, ajwain, and king cumin, jeera, and aniseed, sauf. So I am going to use these things to make pancake, vegetable pancake. Okay, whatever I had, so I just took, and now I am going to start that how I have to cook it. First of all, I have taken that semolina, and then next I am going to take wheat flour, atta, गेहूं का आटा, and now I am going to add gram flour. This is चने का बेसन. Okay, so first of all I will mix it. I have mixed it so well, so now going to add some water. So I have to mix it well. There should be no lumps at all. So I need whisker to whisk it. Yes, now this bread is completely soft. So I will squeeze out the water and will put it here. Okay, so now you can see there is no lumps. So going to add mashed bread. So I don't need this whisker. Whatever I cook, my recipes are not ever pre-planned. So I just cook instantly. Whatever comes in my mind and whatever ingredients are available at my home, so I just use that. Okay, so now time is to add some spices. So all the material is mixed so well. And here is, already I have told you about these spices. Need to crush it. Yes. Now I am going to add chili powder, red chili powder, in a very small quantity. Red chili powder, and then black pepper powder, so now going to add coriander powder, salt to taste, little bit garam masala. Okay, now I am going to mix it nicely. Okay, so I need to put some more water. Okay, approx 2 tablespoons more water. So I need this kind of consistency. Okay, now going to add onion, yes, fenugreek, ginger, garlic and curry patta, cabbage. Wow. Healthy pancake. Yes, need to mix it nicely. So I am not going to add green chili, otherwise can be added also, because my children, they don't, little one, he doesn't eat green chili, that's why I am not going to add. Okay, okay, now I'm going to add potatoes also. I forgotten to add it. Okay, so now time, and now let that material, mixed material, let be on rest for few minutes, at least 2 to 3 minutes, and by the time let me heat up the tawa. Going to add some chili sauce also, which I made right now before this recipe, so I am going to add this one also. Mix it nicely. Okay, now my tawa is already heated up, so let me put it some oil. Is going to put some mustard seeds, then flame is on low. Yes, going to cover it with thali. Yes, I put it approx 30 seconds. Going to put some oil. Wow. I try to let no go anything waste. So I use everything, whatever, even the leftover I get in my home. So, I reuse it to recook and to produce some new taste and new recipe with the leftover. Yes, now both the sides are cooked so well. So now it is completely cooked. So going to take out from the pan. Yes, looking yummy. Yes, now I am going to put next one. I'm going to put around some oil again. Yes, it is almost done from one side. So let me turn it. Wow, healthy pancakes. It takes 3 to 4 minutes to be cooked for both sides. Yes, now another side is also almost half cooked. Yes, you can see low medium flame. Yes, this one is also done. Yes, looking yummy, can be seen. So can be eaten any kind of chutney. So super soft. Yes. Wow. Yummy. So if you like the recipe, please like, share, comment and share and subscribe also. So thanks for watching to all of you. God bless you all. So we'll see you with my next recipe, next Jugadu recipe. Till then, bye bye.